Hi, this is gonna be my demo for 6.2C. So as you can see here, I already set up the Ganache dashboard with the workspace called SIT728 6.2C. With the truffle project, I'm gonna be using the pet shop that I pulled from the data files within the virtual machine. Uh, Data files here, week 5, and I took this folder and I just copy pasted it to this folder right here labeled 6.2C. It's the same files, and it will be the source for our dApps later on. So now we have already have the Ganesh set up. Obviously, we can go to the MetaMask now. Um, Here we can go here. Obviously, we have the account first. To connect the two from MetaMask and Ganesh, it's straightforward. Since there are already two accounts present here, this one is was for before the recording, so we'll make a new one. So for I use the first two addresses for address one and address two for account one and account two. Let's go for a country here. To link the two, we just need to take the private key of the Ganesh address and put it into MetaMask, and you can see them by clicking on this icon and it will show the private key on the account. So if we copy this, and we can go to MetaMask extension, we can go to the my accounts. Here there's an import account feature, and we can import the accounts here. Let's import it. And as you can see, the ending 580E is the same as this address, 580E. So it means the two are connected already. Um, Obviously, this is a testing, so the Ethereum number is all whacked. It's not 100 as here. But if we move to if we change the network to an Ethereum, it will show 100. If we went to the other networks, 100. But I think for Ganesh here, I think it's just for testing purposes, it's just a number that is a bit different to the Ganesh. From here, we can move to after we made the MetaMask and the Ganesh setup done, we can move to the folder here. I'll just clean this folder for now. We'll start fresh. We can use use up the pet shop folder here to run the dApps. For here, there is nothing you need to change here for this to run the dApps itself. What you need to do is only to follow the instructions as previously taught in previous weeks. You just need to compile the folders for the contracts. Then when everything is up to date, you can go with truffle migrate to update the different, how do you say it, the different factors inside it. Normally you would have to change this to accommodate the ones in the Ganesh or the MetaMask, but in this case we didn't need to, so we just truffle migrate here. Everything is up to date since it was previously done. And to run the front end, we just need to run the npm run def command to run to run the server, and here it is. The website for the pet shop of week 5, it's running on the local host 3000, and yeah, that's how the dApps is gonna be running on. Um, I like we can like adopt here. For example, if we adopt here, like the link is account, the account was already linked here. Current account is not connected. Previously, I used account 2 to connect it as testing purposes, but for this recording, let's move to connect account 3. Um, wait, yeah, here we can see account 3 is not connected on this blue, green highlight. Now we can go from there. We can, for example, if you want to adopt a dog like Collins, let's say, when we press adopt, it will show the amount cost for adopting her and such. So obviously it's $0 here, but there's gas fees. The gas fees are very expensive. And this is actually the wallet that we're gonna pay Pete. This is Pete's wallet, and this is our wallet. And yeah, that's all there is to it, probably for the dApps running. Yeah. Thank you for watching my video.